In this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode in Outlook app. First of all, open the Outlook application. Make sure you are logged into your Microsoft account. If not, simply enter your credentials to sign in. On the home screen, all your emails will be displayed if you have any. Now look at the top left corner of the screen. You will notice a small circular icon with a Google profile picture. Tap on it and a side menu will appear, giving you access to different options. At the bottom left corner, you will see the settings gear icon. Tap on it. Outlook settings will appear. You will see a variety of different options. To enable dark mode, you need to adjust the app's display preferences. Tap on the display and appearance option. On the next screen, display settings will open. Make sure you are on the theme section. You can see that the system theme is enabled right now. The system theme automatically switches between light and dark mode based on your device's setting or according to the time of day. To permanently select the dark mode, tap on the dark option to select it. Immediately, dark mode will be applied on your Outlook application interface, and this is how you can enable dark mode in Outlook app.